A question I get all the time about starting a professional organizing business is, how do I price my services and should I offer packages? I know a lot of organizers offer service packages, and I sometimes bundle sessions into multiple day packages for unpacking jobs or KonMari lessons. However, I do not recommend that new organizers offer complicated packages, and in this video, I'll tell you why. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence. I help you live a life with less clutter so you can have space for the things that truly matter. Today, I'm sharing with you a very simple, easy to sell pitch you can make to your clients without complicated proposals and hours of working up estimates or trying to fit a prospect into a predefined package. Once you have an established business and a roster of clients that keep you in steady work, offering packages can be a way to increase cash flow and to stabilize your schedule. However, if you are just getting started to book your first paid clients, I don't want you to have that pressure of selling thousands of dollars of services when you are just getting comfortable with organizing homes for new prospects. Here is my super simple, easy to sell client process. Step 1, start a conversation. Step 2, book a paid consultation and create a plan. Step 3, book your first project session. Step 4, follow up and book additional sessions. And step 5, move to maintenance status. The first step is to start a conversation. For me, this is booking a free phone or video consultation. It's so important to get your potential lead talking by asking them open-ended questions like, what areas in your home cause you the most stress? Or how could an organized home change your life? I've created a list of sample questions to ask in the client questionnaire in my Essential Forms course. I'll put a link to that course in the description of this video. You are more likely to book your client if you can get them talking. When it's time to explain your process and give them pricing information, offer them a no obligation planning session. During this session, you will essentially organize their home on paper, meaning you will give them space planning and product recommendations, as well as ways to reduce clutter and create systems of organization. I let the client know that they can either take this plan and organize their home on their own, or we can schedule sessions to work on an area together, like the kitchen, closets, or home office. Now, your potential client will either book a consultation or they may want to get started on a project right away. Either case, you have booked yourself a paid organizing session and have paved the way for additional work. I find that the paid consultation is of more value to the client if I create a written plan outlining all the steps and recommendations for decluttering and organizing their home. You can create this on paper or in a Google Doc, but my favorite way is using Trello, a task management and project planning app. There's a free version, and both me and my client have access to the plan from any device. Having an action plan allows them to do some work on their own and in between sessions, like take donations to charity, list items to sell, or review categories of things, or purchase storage containers. While you are consulting with your client on this first appointment, you are setting the stage for future work. You have spent time understanding your client's challenges, budget, priorities, and getting to know their stuff and their space. You are now prepared to book project sessions. And since you have created an action plan for organizing the entire home, booking additional sessions is simply a matter of keeping in touch and making recommendations for the next logical project that you outlined in your first initial consultation. After you have completed a few sessions with your new client, they may move more into what I call maintenance mode. You may book additional sessions with them that are a little less structured. Maybe you touch up some high-functioning spaces that you've already organized, like the kitchen, main bedroom closet, or home office. You may do sessions that are part consultation and part product research, or you may simply meet with your client and give them emotional support to sort more tedious items like paperwork, photos, and other keepsakes. I've worked many sessions with established clients where we just focus on time management or teaching them to use a productivity app. There are so many ways you can help your client organize their home and their life. And the best way to do this as a new organizer is to make that first connection and book your first appointment. So, what is your client process? Could these simple steps give you the confidence to start booking more paid appointments? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.